We're going to get right to it. Today, you'll learn how to cut and bake a butternut squash. Cut off both ends. Cut right at the base of the neck. Peel the skin off. You can use a vegetable peeler or you can just use a knife. There's no seeds in the taller part of the neck, so you can slice it, cut it into strips, and then dice it. Cut the ball part in half. The ball part does have seeds. The guts will come right out with a spoon. Once again, we'll slice this up and then we'll dice it. Drizzle some oil over your butternut squash. I like to use avocado oil because it does well in high temps. You could keep this basic and just use salt and pepper. To step it up, you could add some garlic and paprika. And if you want to get real fancy, you could do some rosemary and thyme. I like to stir it around just to make sure everything's evenly coated. Throw it in your oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Here's a recipe card for you. Feel free to take a screenshot. And hey, if you need help organizing your recipes, check out my other video. I've got 5 tips for organizing recipes.